Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by logging into Zerodha Kite and confirming your account and margin. This is essential because orders require available buying power. Next, choose the instrument and verify lot size and liquidity so your stop works in live market conditions. Once done, open the price chart on your preferred time frame and mark support and resistance levels to define an entry and a logical stop loss. This reduces guesswork and helps you place a stop relative to volatility rather than emotion. You now execute the trade. Select limit if you want price control or SL/SLM if you want a stop-triggered market fill. Choose carefully because SLM can experience slippage. Then calculate stop distance using volatility. Use ATR multiplied by 1, 5 or a fixed percentage like 1% so your stop isn't hit by noise. Once the stop is set, place a target or use an OCO-like approach with cover orders where possible. Because linking target and stop enforces discipline, you finish by managing exits. Once the trade moves in your favor, move stop to break even and then trail it to lock gains. Do this gradually rather than too quickly. Make trailing stops manual or set a percentage-based trailing to follow price while limiting whipsaws. If your stop or order fails to execute, make sure you had sufficient margin, use the correct order type, and that the market wasn't halted. If problems persist, contact Zerodha support with order ID for quick resolution.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.